Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Stamp.io for e-commerce review workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in Stamp.io and hit enter. Once the website loads, look for the sign up button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. After entering your information, click on the Create Account button. Next, check your email for a confirmation message from Stamp.io. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once confirmed, return to the Stamp.io website. Log in using the email and password you created earlier. After logging in, you will be prompted to select your plan. Browse the available plans and choose one that suits your e-commerce needs. Click on the Select button for your chosen plan. You will be taken to a payment page. Enter your payment information to process the subscription. Once the payment is successful, you will gain access to your Stamp.io dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the various tools and features. To set up your review workflow, look for the Settings or Workflow tab. Click on the tab to begin configuring your review request settings. Follow the on-screen prompts to customize your workflow according to your preferences. As you set up your workflow, you can select triggers for sending review requests. Make sure to save your changes after each configuration step. Once your workflow is set, you can integrate the Stamp.io app with your e-commerce platform. Look for integration options within the dashboard settings. Follow the instructions for your specific e-commerce platform. Test the integration to ensure it's working correctly. After testing, your Stamp.io review workflow is ready to go live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.